Welcome and welcome back. This is Living Hope Mixed Farm Uganda. We are doing land preparation. For planting our Irish potatoes. Therefore, I request that you stick with us. Please subscribe to our channel and be able to watch every video that we are going to produce, because this is a do it yourself practice that we are trying to do. Therefore, don't miss out. There we have our super napier grass. It is for our goats and our chicken. The other side we have a farmland where we are going to plant our groundnuts. So, and this side we have our goats house. The other side we have our chicken houses, and behind there we have cattle. And then where you see the greens, those are our passion fruits plantation. So this is a mixed farm. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos to encourage others, and then turn on the notification bells so that you don't miss any video that we post. As I said, we are going to do groundnuts, we are going to do cowpeas, we are going to do cassava, we are going to do soya beans, we are going to do maize, and we are going to do other things. Therefore, follow us step by step and see how we are doing. This one here we are doing locally, and we want to learn something out of it. You see, we are using local hoes to cut. We are loosening the soil so that the roots of the Irish potatoes is able to enter and bulb and produce big bulbs for us. We are going to make this organic. We shall use organic manure from our chicken, from our goats, from our cattle. Therefore, remain with us, stick with us, and be able to follow. It is fun, but it's also knowledge, and knowledge is wealth. If you gain something small, please like our video, give your comments, and subscribe to support us as you also give back to us. Thank you so much for being our viewers and for being our followers. Thank you.